God. Oh God. What kind of life is this now? So I cannot sleep peacefully again. You don't have a proper dream. Okay, brown snore will wake me up.
Chai!
What are you going to do this? I cannot do it anymore.
Dara, just try and sleep. Maybe he will stop.
I cannot do this anymore.
Where are you going to?
To his room.
To do what?
To do what I know to do best.
Dara, come and sleep. Dara!
God have mercy upon us.
Look at him. Snoring like someone's grandfather.
If he eventually gets married, his wife will sleep in another compound.
Exactly.
What do you want to do? Dara, what are you doing? Dara, stop!
Stop.
Dara.
Dara, look.
Let's go and sleep.
Dara, this why you're looking like this. Did you sleep at all yesterday?
Uncle Abraham, I did not sleep.
Ah, why?
How can someone sleep when you keep snoring loudly?
Is it not ordinary snoring? Am I the only one that snores?
Ordinary for you, but for us it's sound of war.
I don't know what people want me to say. Oh.
You better find a solution. If not, to land us in trouble one day. And don't come saying that I said something bad and it will come to pass.
Whatever. If the snoring is disturbing you people, try and close your ear next time.
Close ear, you that snore like a lion.
Somebody's grandfather.
Achalogo. See, I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Funny.
I don't understand.
Have you forgotten how bad Cookie Brown snore is?
Yeah, I know.
And I pray he doesn't disgrace this family, because I never wish to be in this.
It's true, Sha. They say love covers all things. If the girl loves him, she'll manage.
I hope so.
Where is this noise coming from? Jesus Christ. Babe! God, this cannot be happening. What kind of snore is this?
God have mercy upon us.
Auntie, what happened? Does your uncle snore like that?
Yes, so that's just the beginning.
How do you guys get to sleep at night?
It were the mercies of God that we are not consumed.
Unbelievable. You know, I almost thought it was a ghost.
That's the man you would have married.
Who's calling me? Hello?
Hello, success. Please lock all your doors right now. There are criminals in the compound. Lock all your doors right now.
Jesus! Thief! There's thief! What? There's thief in the compound. Close door. Come on, so.
Better have something reasonable here. If not, I'll go both all of in her hair for here. I'll go. Come on, focus us so. Chalo! I swear no need to tweet this house. I have searched everywhere. One cup of garlic they don't have. Now lie. This is a futile effort.
I go lie for you.
No, man, don't tell me to not get anything for this house.
Bro, if you see how difficult the country is, there is no money. Even there's little one that will just get. We used to eat food. Look at how many people I have inside this house. We are eating.
You don't have money, and you have a girlfriend. How do you survive? Nah, lie.
We are managing. We are trying our best.
Chairman, I go shoot this guy.
Bro, but it's not fair now, man to man. You know what this country is like now. Me, I'm even still looking for job. I don't have any stable job. It's not my fault. Do like I'm not trying. I'm trying.
Beto, poor man dey snore. I swear. Poor man dey snore. You no get money, dey snore. He dey snore like big man. The whole community dey yell. See wetin dey there. We no need to kill am. Na to whip am. 100 sharp. 100 bomb. Chairman, go down.
Please.
Cannot be
Wait. I agree for the flogging, but please, can you push the flogging among all of us?
You are the head of the house. You hear this?
Nah, what are we doing here?
I don't know.
Emanuella, where is Mark?
He's not around. He went out.
That means you're going to carry on this meeting without him.
Gabriel, so sorry I'm late. But this one you call for a meeting. I hope all is well.
Don't worry, everything is fine. Actually, I called for this meeting to tell you guys that I want to propose to my girlfriend.
Hey, that's good news.
But there's a little problem. I don't know how to go about it. So I need ideas on how I'm going to propose to her. That's why I called you guys out.
Gabriel, this is very simple now. All you need to do is we will just do as if we are fighting on the street in her presence. You know, she will not like to see both of us fighting, so she will want to come and separate us. You will now kneel down and propose to her. It's as easy as that.
No, nah. That is old school. Don't I used to watch it in movie?
Uncle, it's not better you call her and tell her that you have a surprise for her. Then when she's coming, check her countenance. If she's in a good mood, then just go on your knees and propose to her.
No. That is still simple now. If that's the way I wanted it, do you think I would have called you guys out? See, I want something mind-blowing. I want something spectacular. I want something that will break the internet. Yes.
Gabriel, I have the idea that you need. Native sense.
Tell me.
See what's going to happen, You take her out to a restaurant, a very beautiful restaurant. Make sure she's very comfortable and she likes the place. Then you move over to the counter and buy 2 plates of ice cream, one for you and one for her. Then you open the one that is for her, slot in the ring and close it properly. Take the ice cream to her like a gentleman that you are. Serve her the ice cream. As she opens it to scoop, she will notice the ring. Then you go on your knees and say, please marry me.
Wow! This is the perfect idea. This is exactly what I'm talking about.
You get to the point
Yes,
now.
I love this idea. In fact, that is how we're going to do it.
Yes.
I'm going to call her now and tell her that I'm taking her out. But then, you know you need to be there.
I'll
for me.
always be there
So I'll
for
need all of you
you.
to prepare. Emanuela, see, I need you to record the proposal. So I can make to put it on the internet and break the internet.
Bam.
Okay.
Success, you will accompany her. Both of you should dress well. You know, this is my proposal. Oh yeah, you guys should hurry up. Let us go and do
So
this.
say you're native, let me wear my own.
I hope you like it here. Can I go and get your ice cream?
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming.
The aunt is fine. Let me video them.
Go live.
Okay. Hey guys, Uncle K Brown is about to propose to his girlfriend. He put a ring in her ice cream. Just watch. You want?
Just enjoy it. You like the ice cream, right?
The ice cream is very, very, very tasty. I didn't know you know nice places like this, so.
Manuela, why is this thing taking long?
Maybe you put it down. Just wait there. Wait. K Brown.
Yes.
So now you brought me out today. What are we celebrating?
Don't worry, you'll soon find out.
Okay.
I hope you're enjoying the ice cream.
Yes, it's nice. I like it. In fact, I love it. And I love this place. It's very beautiful. We need to be coming here every day. Oh.
How far now?
This ice cream will not be okay for me. Oh. You need to get more.
You've already finished the ice cream?
Can't you see? I need more ice cream.
You mean you finished this ice cream? How manage?
Small now. You didn't tell me it's this size you want to buy. I would have told you to buy the 1 liter pack.
Wait, did you feel anything in your mouth when you were licking the ice cream?
Something like
Like something that is not ice cream. Something like that is round.
I didn't notice anything.
Auntie, are you feeling anything in your throat?
No.
Auntie, is your throat not doing you ring?
I don't understand. What's going on here? What are these questions? I'm fine.
Hey!
Aunty ring. Keep Brown, what's going on?
Auntie, you just swallowed your engagement ring.
Hey, Jesus, Keep Brown, did you put any ring in my ice cream?
It was Beste's idea.
Hey!
Hey!
Me!
Hey, Jesus!
How?
It's not that I should put ring in ice
Help
cream.
me, oh! Somebody should help me, oh! Hey, God, what is going to happen to me? Will I die?
Uncle Kebron, I think I told you to just propose to this auntie normally. Say you want to break the internet. Ngwanu, internet are broken.
Hey!
Yeah, let's go home and rest, Joe. This one has swallowed her last chance of getting married to this guy.
You should help me, oh! You should help me, oh! Keep Brown, you! Hey! Keep Brown, you! Calm down, hey, Jesus! So this is how I'm going to die because of ice cream. Am I going to die? You should allow me to kill this guy now. Allow me to kill him. Since he brought me here, kill him. You're very wicked. I'm going to kill you today. Keep Brown, you're going to kill me. You leave me alone.
Success. This one you came with all the Mackenzie crew. I hope all is well. Uncle K. Brown, how are you? Emanuella, our celebrity. You're a big girl now. Uncle Mark. How is you two?
Principal, that's not why we came here.
Principal, it's not YouTube that bring us here.
Okay, but for my time, school has already closed for today. And everybody have even gone home. I was also about leaving before people came in.
We should have been here before now. But we're waiting for Emanuela to dismiss from school so that all of us can come here together.
Okay. So to what do I owe this visit?
Principal, my mathematics teacher gave me mathematics to solve on the board. And I got it right and she marked me bad.
Again?
Yes, see, I don't know why I keep coming back to this school for this same problem. If people don't want to be giving this girl her mark, tell me so that I can withdraw her from this school.
I don't know why anytime she gets something right, people be failing her.
Yeah, I don't know what kind of teacher you're employing in this school.
Calm down, please. Just calm down, We can work this out, In fact, let me handle this right now. Hello? Please, get me the primary 3 teacher, the maths teacher. They have to come to my office now. Okay, thank you. Please, calm down, We can work this out.
See, principal, if the teacher don't know something, can't the student teach the teacher? It's not every time your teacher will be doing like this. Let us swallow her pride.
Calm down, Everybody just calm down. I will handle this now. But, Emanuela, can I have an autograph?
It's okay, Uncle Mark.
Oh, Auntie, you're here. Please come.
Good afternoon. Sir, you called me.
Yes, I called you. Auntie, what is this I'm hearing? Success here told me that you gave her a mathematics question to solve on the board, of which she solved correctly, yet you failed her. Why? Why are people doing like this in this school?
Sir, I gave all the kids an assignment to solve on the board. She failed it, that's why I failed her.
Hey! Some people are still lying on my head. What I know is that all liars must go to hell.
Yes.
I agree. Bam.
Oh, okay, Auntie, what was the question?
Sir, I asked them.
Hey, in short, hold it. You know what will happen now, I think we all should go to the classroom, so she can solve it and we all see with our own koro eyes. Is that no good?
That's better.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Just give me a minute. Hello? Uncle Chidera, please come and meet me in primary 3 class now. And when coming, come with one other teacher. There's fire on the mountain. Come now, okay? Let's go now.
How many centimeters do you need in order to achieve 6 meters? Sir, that was the question.
did you do this type of maths when you were in primary school?
I did not do primary 3.
Success. What was your answer again?
6 centimeters.
6 centimeters.
Sir, the answer is not 6 centimeters, it's 600 centimeters.
Hey! Alaye, 600 centimeters in this small school. Can this small school even contain 600 centimeters?
Auntie Ebere, 600 centimeters is a lot of centimeters.
But sir, the answer is 600 centimeters.
Auntie, they lied. The answer is 6 centimeters.
Calm down, everybody. Since we don't seem to agree here, you know, we can always disagree to agree. So, Auntie,
Principal can show working, I can prove it.
that's better. Take the marker. Go and show us immediately.
Please, my people, what is this?
Centimeter.
Good. How many?
1.
Good. Just follow me closely. My people, how many centimeters are here? Please count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many centimeters?
6 centimeters.
Good. Cross multiplication. Now follow me. Centi cancel centi. Centi cancel centi. Centi cancel centi. What is remaining?
Meter.
How many meters are here? Please count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many?
6 meters.
Good. Please, how many centimeters did I use to achieve these meters?
6 centimeters.
Good. Therefore,
Wow. Fantabulous. Maro. Awesome. Wonderful. Michael Faraday. Wow. I like this. Auntie Ebere, how many centimeters did you say you need to achieve 6 meters?
600
Will you shut up there? And China has moved it on the board. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Can't you see the handwriting on the wall?
Okay, success. Forget how I put the English. What I meant was, how many centimeters make 6 meters?
ask me, I'm not forgetting. Oh, you have put it easy. I have put it. So give me my mark.
Yes.
I agree. Bam.
Auntie, see next time if you want to speak English, speak it. So if you don't have to speak it, you leave it. Okay, Mark, let's go. See, by tomorrow, better give my correct mark. Okay, let's go. Look at her long neck, like 600 centimeters.
You see your life?
I'm sorry.
Shut up! You are fired.
Hey, sir, please now. Sir, it's the way I put the English.
Oh, English is the problem. Who is the English teacher? You are fired.
Hey!
Why did you shout? You are also fired. So, you want to kill me? Leave my school.
AY the comedian is going to hellfire.
Exactly.
Hellfire straight.
How?
Brain Jota. Basket Mouth. Bovi. What is the name of this one? Mark Angel. Even Emanuella, she thinks she can be everywhere. She's going to hellfire.
Even Don Jazzy. Don Jazzy is now joining comedians to make people to laugh. He's going to hellfire.
She's going to hellfire.
Where people getting all this thing from?
Mommy Gio.
Mommy Gio said anybody that is making other people to laugh, shine teeth and be happy is going to hellfire straight.
Are you telling me the truth?
K Brown. Even you that is dancing breakdance on Instagram and TikTok, dancing breakdance,
That's of the skeleton. Hellfire.
Jesus!
You did national ID card. That is your identification to hellfire.
Continue.
You are spraying Shaw and using perfume. She said if you use only roll-on, fine. But as long as you're spraying Shaw and using perfume, hellfire.
Mimi, it's not like you're even safe. You're wearing earring so that it will not glitter and compete with the light of God. She said you're going to hellfire too.
Even you, as a man, your scalp is showing. You want the world to see the crown of God on your head. Hellfire straight.
That means all of us are going to
hellfire.
What are we now going to do to escape hell?
Good day. Kebran. I've actually been looking for you. Anytime I come, they say you are not around. I need a favor from you. It has not really been easy with my family. Things have been so difficult. For the past 3 days, we have not eaten anything, I and my children. That's why I came, to see if there's anything you can do for us.
Just manage this one, eh?
Thank you.
Eh?
Thank you.
No, don't worry, man. Don't worry, man. Eh? Just manage this one, eh?
God bless you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Shy.
Poverty is really dealing with people in this country.
Oh, woman.
K. Brown, why will you give that woman money? Why will you give her money? I know that woman very well. She even has grown-up children. Why can't they go and hustle for money and help their mother? Even if it's selling pure water or help sweep the road. Now it's very dusty everywhere. Help clean places and make money. You're just here giving money anyhow.
Why will you say something like that now? That woman is poor now. She and her family is poor.
Let her go and work.
See, what we should be thinking about is how government can eradicate poverty in this country. Eh?
Why would they eradicate poverty? Poverty is good. See, K. Brown, I like it like that. There will always be a balance. The rich and the poor. It has to remain like that.
You be mumu. Uncle, see you. Why do you say that kind of thing? You don't have conscience.
Success, what do you mean I don't have conscience?
Nah.
If government now eradicates poverty and every family becomes rich, who will not be poor? Who will be selling pure water in traffic? Who will be having to clean the gutters? Who will be the mailman or even have to do the laundry? You're saying everybody should be rich.
Success, wait. Very good. Uncle, that is where your family comes in.
Jesus! This for you. Mira, let's go, Joe. Inukwa. See somebody that I've not met this in life, saying people should go.
With that attitude, that uncle cannot make it in life. Success, I bet let's go and play Papango.